So, I got asked by my friend to come and do this, and I'm not a creative person. I'm an academic. So I can't sew, I can't knit, can't paint. Everything I do try and do with the toddlers in my line of work in education in preschool, they do better than me. So I was like, oh, this is not me, I can't do it. But do you know what? The fact that I am so busy and it makes me focus for the whole day, I'm hooked. And this is my fourth one now, and I am not creative. And I'm so proud when I hang them on my balcony and see that I did that, but yet I can't draw for toffee.
And the one you've done today is so good. So tell us about that.
So this is the lighthouse in Cabo de Palos, where my home is, and it's a famous landmark. So I thought I'll do that because I've done the creatures of the Mar Menor before. So I've done the seahorse, the octopus, the jellyfish. So I wanted to, because I've got a big oil painting that somebody did for me of Cabo Lighthouse. So I thought, do you know what? I think I might be able to recreate it myself.
Yeah.
So we'll see when I've polished the result.
I think it's going to look lovely.
Thank
I
you.
really do. It looks really good. And how about you, Rita? Have you enjoyed the day?
Oh,
Let's
I've
have a
loved
look
it.
at-
Yeah, I've loved it.
Look at
So
yours.
this is my first time I've ever done this. Now I teach art. I do acrylic.
Okay. Oh wow.
And
Yeah.
I would never have thought about doing this ever. You know, and I just love it. I mean, before I was asking Dan, where does this go? Where does that go? And just cutting the glass was scary, but after about an hour of doing that,
It
I
looks
just
so
love
pretty.
it. I know.
Yeah, it's really
It's
good.
fabulous. It's turned out great.
Yeah, well done.
So I'm really proud of it.
So it's very different from painting.
Very different.
Yeah.
Completely different.
Yeah.
Yeah, you've really got to focus as well.
Yeah.
You know, you do. And what a lovely place to have it. It's fabulous here. You know, we're even thinking of having a girls' weekend.
Yeah.
Definitely.
We don't have, we want to spend
fabulous.
longer time here because it's
Yeah.
so relaxing and so beautiful.
It's gorgeous.
Oh, I'm so glad you enjoyed
Having
it.
the dogs around as well.
Oh yeah, they're
It's
gorgeous.
superb. We love it.
Absolutely love it. So lucky to live here.
Yeah, we are. Very.
They are
Very
lucky
lovely.
here. Dan, perfect place.
It's lovely.
So do you think you'll do some more?
Oh my God, yes.
Yeah. We'll be back.
I'm looking at James and I think that's fab. I'm going to have a go at that.
You're going to do Cabo
Yeah,
Lighthouse
that is
because it's such an
absolutely
iconic thing, isn't
Yeah,
it?
of course it is.
Oh, thank you,
times I've been
ladies.
up
Thank you
there.
for coming.
No,
so I
thank
look
you
forward
for
to
having
seeing
us.
you on your girls' night.
Yes,
We will
please.
sort something.
Thank you.